Yo, what's up guys? Andy from TapLab here, back with another video, and today we're on Instagram and I'm going to show you how to remove someone that is following you. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is go to your profile, which is the tab in the bottom right corner. From here up the top of the screen you'll see your followers, so you can tap on that. By the way, if you guys want to follow my Instagram, it's ANDYPNGR up there in the top left. Let's go ahead and tap on our followers. So this is going to show you all of the people that are following you. And if there's someone in here that you don't want to be following you, you can just click the remove button on the right side of the screen there. So let's just find some random person. Like, this doesn't seem to be an active account. Sorry if I show anyone or remove anyone that's watching this video, but beginnings right here in the middle of the screen, it doesn't seem like an active account, so I can just tap remove. It's gonna give me a pop-up. Instagram won't tell beginnings they were removed from your followers. So you can remove or cancel. I'm gonna tap remove. And there we go, they just disappeared. They're no longer following me. So if there's some person and you don't want them following you anymore, but you also don't want to block them or anything weird like that, you can just remove them and they'll probably never even know that they aren't following you anymore. So this is great if you have like an ex-boyfriend, ex-girlfriend or something like that, and you don't like them anymore and you don't want them seeing your posts. Just go ahead and hit that remove button. And then if they ever ask you about it, just be like, I don't know, man, that's weird. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past.